The punishment phase for a man convicted of capital murder will start from scratch. Last year, the Texas Court of Criminal Appeals ruled to take Douglas Armstrong off death row. Channel 5's Carolina Cruz was in court this morning. She's in the studio to explain what happens next in this case.
Today was like a time machine. The case went back to the exact same point it stood at over 10 years ago, when Douglas Armstrong was found guilty and had not yet been sentenced of killing 60-year-old Rafael Castellan. Armstrong killed the Donna man during a robbery in 2006. Rafael Castellan was robbed of $150. A jury decided on the death penalty after a conviction. Last year's appeal upheld the guilty verdict, but took Armstrong off death row. It stated the punishment phase needed a do-over. Now it's up to the Hidalgo County District Attorney's Office to decide whether they'll seek the death penalty. If so, evidence will be presented to a new jury. According to the judge, the trial on punishment will be more complex this time around. If the DA's office doesn't seek the death penalty, Armstrong faces life in prison without parole. The DA's office said they'll have a decision made by today. However, the announcement won't be made until early next month. In the studio, Carolina Cruz, Channel 5 News at noon.
Douglas Armstrong is no stranger to the law. DNA linked him to a 2003 murder. In 2013, Armstrong was convicted for the 2003 murder of 40-year-old Deborah Wilson in Dothan, Alabama. Wilson's body was found in a motel room. She died of a blunt force trauma to the head. The case went cold for 10 years with no arrests ever made. Then in 2013, police say DNA linked Armstrong to the killing. And as Carolina reported at the top, the DA's office will decide today if Armstrong will get a new trial. The decision will be announced next month. We'll stay on top of this story and keep you informed of the very latest.